Hey, welcome to my channel, Cooking with Mayo Focus, and today we're gonna be making some absolutely, when I tell you delicious deviled eggs. We're going two ways. We're going smoked and then we're going fried. So I got that smoker in the back. We're gonna get that fired up. I got some oil, we're gonna get that heated up, and I got some eggs, and we're gonna get in the game. So without further ado, hey, let's go down to this workstation and let's get in the game. Here are the ingredients that we'll be using today. Hey, these will be in the description box so you can follow along. And fam, hey, these are the starter dish right here. Hey, you can go brown, white eggs, whatever eggs. Hey, we just want to get these, you know what I'm saying, boil. And we gonna go, you know, about 8 minutes or so. When they ready to go, hey, we coming back and we gonna put them in a little ice bath so we can shock them. And then we'll be well on our way, fam. Now we're gonna put these in an ice bath so we can stop the cooking process. And fam, I'm loving this outdoor, you know what I'm saying, workstation with the sink on it. Hey, yes sir, hey, we're in the game. But like I said, let's get these eggs out and we're gonna get them in that ice bath so they can stop the cooking process. And then we're gonna continue to work on this recipe. Hey, if your deviled eggs don't have bacon on it, then I don't want it. So, fam, we gotta go in with that bacon. Hey fam, you'll thank me later, but just make sure you got bacon with your deviled eggs. And once you get your bacon nice and crispy like that, hey, we'll get the rest of them off and then we'll run to the next steps. Hey fam, this bacon might not make it into that deviled egg. Might be in my stomach, fam. Hey, we're gonna get these coals going. I don't wanna go with, you know, like a bunch of coals. I just wanna get enough where I can get some smoke going with some wood. Now fam, you can go with a pellet tube on a pellet grill and you'll be in the game. But like I said, I'm gonna be cooking some other stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some coals going and then I'll light this bad boy up after I finish these deviled eggs and then get me a bigger fire going. Alright fam, they nice and hot. And fam, I'm going in with just a little small split and we'll get us a little smoke rolling and we gonna be in the game. Alright fam, we got those eggs out the shell. Now all we're gonna do is just take these down the middle like so, and then we're gonna get this yolk out of these eggs. Now we're gonna take half of these, we're gonna smoke them, and then we're gonna put the other half, like I said, we're gonna fry those. You don't want your smoker to be hot, and as you can see, hey, we're under like 90 degrees, not even hitting 100. That's where you want to be. And let's get these eggs on the smoker. So just like you were gonna cold smoke on the pellet grill, hey, this is what we're doing here. And we're gonna let these bad boys roll out. Fam, let's go ahead and make this filling. Now we going in with some mayo and we're gonna freestyle this a little bit. So a couple generous tablespoons would do of mayo. We're going in with some ground mustard, about a tablespoon or so. Now we got some sweet salad cubes and we're gonna go in with about a tablespoon or two. And this is what I absolutely love in my deviled eggs, these diced jalapeños. And we'll go in about a tablespoon. Get you a little of that juice in there. A little apple cider vinegar. And then you go with like a tad of apple cider vinegar, about a teaspoon or so. And last, you can hit it with some salt and pepper, but I'm going in with some barbecue rub. And it's gonna be about a tablespoon or so. And we're gonna get this mixed in. And we're gonna add some bacon to this party. Gonna get everything crumbled up. And fam, this is gonna be delicious, fam. Get that bacon all mixed in to this mixture. Hey, like so. Fam, we in the game. We're gonna have two stations for these fried deviled eggs. Now we got some Italian breadcrumbs and then we got our egg wash station. Now what I'm gonna do is I got some Parm cheese, right? And I'm gonna shred some of this Parm cheese into these breadcrumbs. Get this thing a nice little cheesy taste. And fam, we're just gonna take our eggs and we're gonna coat them in this egg wash. Drain that cavity out and then bring them over to those breadcrumbs like so. And once they're ready to go, just put it in that oil like that. And really, because these eggs are already cooked, hey, you just looking for a golden brown color, so it's not gonna take long at all to cook up. As you can see, like I said, man, look at that. Don't take long at all. Take them out. Hey, you in the game. Let's check on these eggs. Now, I did let these go for about 45 minutes, closer to an hour. All right, fam, so we got those smoked eggs out of the smoker. And they got a little kiss of smoke. And I was smoking with apple wood, so not like a harsh wood flavor, you know, something subtle that'll give these eggs a nice little smoky taste, but not overpowering. And then, fam, we got those fried deviled eggs. Yes, sir, and they smell good, I'm gonna tell you, fam. A little ugly duckling right there, but you know, fam, we don't waste nothing in this kitchen. All right, we got that piping bag, and we're gonna go ahead and pipe these with that filling. All right, fam, you already know I love my bacon, so I'm gonna top these off with some pieces of bacon. It wouldn't be deviled eggs without hitting it with that paprika. Then you can go with smoked paprika, but I just wanted, you know, had that color, but I didn't want to overpower that smoke. And then especially with the fried deviled eggs, I want to keep those, you know, just that fried flavor. Hey fam, there you have it. You got your absolutely delicious deviled eggs. And you know I gotta give me a taste test, so I'm going in with that fried deviled eggs. Cheers, fam. Now that's absolutely delicious, fam. I like that. Now, we're going in with that smoked one. Yes, sir. Now this one right here, you got a little kiss of that smoke. Hey, it's on point. Whew. Yes, sir. Both of those deviled eggs are absolutely delicious. Now the fried one, hey, I like the combination of that Italian, you know, breadcrumbs with that Parmesan kiss to it, and that smoked one, that nice little apple smoked wood. Ooh, with that filling, yes sir. Now I'm gonna tell you, if you new to my channel and you like this content, hey, go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to also smash that like button, turn on those notifications so you know when I release my content. Now for the Focus fam that's been rolling me for a while, and you already know what I'm about to do, I'm about to smash into these deviled eggs, and I'll see you guys on the next recipe. Peace.